Hey guys, today I'll show you how to use Instagram on your laptop or desktop computer. It's really simple, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Instagram.com. Once the website loads, sign in to your Instagram account using your username and password. After logging in, you'll see the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. From there, you can browse your home feed, watch reels, check your messages, explore content, and manage your profile. If you want to upload a new post, click the Create button in the left-hand menu. From there, you can select your photos or videos, add a caption, and publish your post directly from your computer. You can also install Instagram as a desktop app. To do this, click the Install icon in the top right corner of your browser. Then click Install to add Instagram as a standalone application. Once the installation is complete, Instagram will open in its own app window, allowing you to use it just like a regular desktop application without needing to keep your browser open. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.